Assalamu alaikum and good morning again to all of my students. I hope you're all in good health and enjoying your classes, your lectures, and doing great. Okay, so we are in a science class right now, and we have learned about plants. So I thought of giving you a little more picture of the plants which we're doing and learning before. So I am just going to share with you a video first, and then we will know a lot more about plants, right? So let's start to share with a video. Let's see a video first, and then I'm going to tell you that what we are going to learn today. Okay.
Let's see the growth of roots, stem, and leaves. We put seeds in the soil. My children are helping me with the plantation. One by one, we
Wow.
are planting seeds in the soil. Now is the time to put water in them. When you feed water, the roots of the plantation become strong and they grow
Yes.
under the soil. Its stems grow over the soil.
Yeah.
And this results in the growth of leaves. These are different kinds of leaves that grow. All these leaves are grown on the stems. And now is the time to harvest. The plant has grown into a fully grown tree with apples. Then some grow under the soil like carrots.
Okay, that's great. See, we learned about plants, and we learn about how grow the roots, when we water the roots, how do they grow, and they're like different type of roots. So what we're going to do today is we are learning about roots today, right? Roots is the very important part of the plant. Like all the parts are very important, but there are like some which are very important because the root is the thing which grows initially. When we water that, the root comes out and goes down, and the shoot comes out and that goes up. So there are different kind of roots which we are discussing today. I'm going to show you the pictures of that. So I hope that you even think that how big do the roots grow and how far they can go. So I am going to share with you all those things, and I'm going to show you different type of the roots as well, right? So first of all, what I'm going to show you is the type of the root, how do they grow, and if they are out on the soil, that how can we see that, right? So if I'm going to share with you this picture in which you can see the roots. Now they are on the soil, the roots are like you can see. So the roots are the extended form of the plant. Now, roots can extend even from a few centimeters, like from small to many meters into the soil. They are mostly they're under the ground. So you can see they can go up till like to the soil. They can go yeah, to some many few kilometers long. So there are like type of plants that has root that can even grow up to several kilometers long, right? So the roots the root has many small hairs, as you can see. They're like a bit thick roots. So they have like small hairs that they they can carry the important nutrients and water from the soil to the other parts of the plant, right? So the major role of the root is to hold the plant into the soil, and then that to carry important nutrients and water from the soil to the up part of the plant, right? So this is what roots are, and we are going to just share that there are like very different kinds of roots, right? So I am going to tell you a little different kind of roots, which you'll be able to see right now. I'm going to show you the pictures, and I'm going to tell you a little about those roots. Now, how do they look differently, and how they are even shown. Most of them are not even under the ground. They can even show uh, up, and you can even see them uh, on the soil as well, as I showed you right now a couple of pictures, right? So I am just going to share some of the pictures with you, right? Now just have a look at this. Here you can see the roots. Now these roots have come out of the stem, right? And if you cut the stem from here, and you can just put the stem into the soil, and you just water it, you will be able to grow new plants. So this is the type of roots which you can even see outside the soil. Very easily you can see outside the soil, right? So I'm going to show another root type to you, and that is, just have a look at this. This is even, you can have a look at them. This is even the upper portion of the plant. The root is not in this soil, and they are showing you the root. How does it look like? This is the root of a grape plant. It's not, the grape is not a plant, it's a climber. So this is how the roots look like. See, they take out the nutrients, they take the water from the soil, and they provide it to the different type of different parts of the plant, right? Now these are the different type of roots, and there are like some roots which are aerial, which are called aerial roots. Now aerial are roots are those roots that grow above the soil, and the banyan trees, the mangrove trees, and a few special of orchards have the aerial roots. So I'm just going to show you how these aerial roots look like. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you a mangrove, a picture of a mangrove. These are the plants which you can have a look at that near the seashore. These are called mangroves. Now, these are the roots of the mangroves, which you can easily see. These are the aerial roots, right? So you can see them in Karachi. There are mangroves, and the roots you can easily see over there if you go and look for mangroves. So this is easily, you can see these are called aerial roots. Now there is a different kind of aerial root which I'm going to show you. Just a minute. Now have a look at this, right? Now this is also a type of aerial roots which are on the tree, and you can see that, right? They grow above the soil. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made very different kind of roots as well. There are different kind of parts of plants which we can see. So this is the part of plant of root, and we can see that there is different type of roots. Now there is another type of a tree which has got aerial roots, which you can see right now, right? So this is also the picture of the aerial roots. See, now see, they're grown above the soil, and they are, see, they're touching the soil and they're going up, right? So these are called aerial roots. These are also the roots, right? So we have seen these different type of roots which are called aerial roots, and we have seen some roots which are uh, uh, we have seen that we have taken out from the soil. And now I'm just going to show you some other types of roots. Okay, yeah, I'm going to show you that as well. I will tell you the names of these roots as well, which you'll be able to see right now. Okay. Now I'm going to share with you these. I'm going to show you the tap roots, and I'm going to show you the fibrous roots. Now the fibrous roots are plants that have many roots. I'm going to show you, and the roots that grow in all directions. And they are called fibrous. They're called fibers, like small threads. They're like small threads. So I'm just going to share with you how does those fibrous roots look like. Now have a look at this. See, this is the form of a fibrous root. See, they're just like threads. Now, this is the root of maybe celery or onion or even garlic. Looks like this. These are called the fibrous roots. So they are like threads, like roots. These are under the soil, and the system is the same, that they take the nutrients and the water from the soil, and they transport it to the different portions of the um, plant, right? So I'm going to show you another picture of the fibrous root. See, this is also the form of a fibrous root. Now we have taken out a plant to show you the fibrous root, because I cannot pull up so many plants to show you the roots. That would be very bad. So I'm just showing you the pictures. So this is also the form of a fibrous root that holds the plant, and these are like the threads, and they have the same work, like they take the nutrients from the soil and they take it to the different parts of the plant, right? Now we have seen the fibrous roots. Now I am going to tell you about tap roots. Tap roots are very, very amazing. Why? Because when you look at that, you will see that yes, tap roots are very amazing. So I'm just going to share with you couple of picture of tap roots I'm going to show you. Yes, I had some of them, which I just, yeah, I found them. Okay. Now I'm going to share with you the picture of taproots, which is very amazing. And why they're amazing, when you look at them, you will find that yes, they are really, really amazing. Now see how I look at that. Now these are the taproots. Now can you see the difference? See the taproots. What are the taproots? Yeah, this is carrot. See, this is under the soil. Can you see this? Yes, that's under the soil, and that is the root of the plant. And here, this is the sweet potato, right? I think this is the sweet potato. So this is also a taproot. And what is good and amazing about taproots, that we eat the taproots. Yes, isn't that amazing? So I'm going to show you a couple of pictures. So this is so amazing. You can see the carrots inside the soil and we can just pull them up, holding the leaves very easily. We can pull them up and we eat them. We eat the roots of the plants, as we discussed it before, that we eat many different parts of plants. So root is one of those that we eat. So I'm just going to share another picture with you in which you can see different tap roots which we eat, and you eat them daily. And maybe you didn't know that you eat them daily. See, carrot, there is turnip, there is onion, and there are different type of radishes and beetroots. So I'm missing out with this. I think this is potato. Yeah, this is potato, small potato. So you see the carrot and the turnip and onion and the beetroot and radish and potatoes and sweet potatoes, they are all the form of Tap roots, yes. So you should know that the portion that we eat of fruit, when if it's root, that is a tap root mostly that we are eating, right? So that is so amazing that we even eat the root part of the plant, and that is a lot of nutrition. Even garlic is taproot, onion is taproot, turnip is taproot, radish is taproot, carrot is taproot, beetroot is taproot, sweet potato is taproot, then potato is taproot, then ginger is taproot. So see, there are many different kind of tap roots which we eat, and that is so amazing. So this is a different, which we have discussed the different type of roots. We have discussed about aerial roots, we have discussed about fibrous roots, we have discussed about the tap roots, and we have discussed about what roots do by holding the plant and taking the nutrients from the soil, and that is super amazing. So you are going to even go and look for and find, if you can see any banyan tree, you can find the aerial roots over there. So you're not going to pull up the plants to see the roots, or maybe ask somebody to help you out in that, maybe your elder or maybe your gardener, to show you the roots so you can have a look at different kind of fruits. And these days you cannot see carrots, and even, yeah, you can see turnips, yeah, you can see onions. You can grow onions and see how the tap roots look like when you pull up from the soil, right? So this was a science lecture in which we have discussed about different type of roots. That was so amazing. There are like a couple of things which were even new to me. I have learned a lot from this lecture. So I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Okay, so we'll see each other soon, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and bye bye.